Matti Breschel, we saw you today working hard in front of the peloton with Lars Boom. How was it for you?
Well, it was okay. As you said, I was working for Lars. So yeah.
The Vuelta started. It started good for the team, eh?
Well, yeah, with the second or third place, we don't know. Now we were hoping for top 5 yesterday, and yeah, I think we can be pretty satisfied with the Vuelta so far. Today we missed a little bit for the sprint, but yeah, we have some fast guys, and yeah, there's gonna be more chances for me, Lars, and Dennis. And tomorrow it already starts for the climbers.
The main objective for the team is the GC, the classification, and that was good today. Eh?
Yeah, we didn't lose time. We took care of Robert and Mollema, and that was the plan, so it worked out fine. Today was actually quite nervous. You see a lot of the teams being in the front with the captain, not taking any chances at all. That caused a lot of tension, and people get nervous, so there can always be a crash. We saw that in the tour, so we have to take care on every stage. And but I think Robert and Bauke is really good at handling the bike, and really good to be in the front, not like other leaders in other teams.
Okay, so tomorrow it's going to be a day for you to help those guys.
Yeah, for sure. Now they are leaving without me.
They leave without you. Get in the bus quick.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.